Let's make an easy breakfast wrap. Enjoy. To start, we're going to crack 1 egg. You want to remove the eye from the egg. Jamaican people and the Caribbean people, you know, say we have to remove the eye from the egg, period. Right? So 1 egg, you add 1 egg. I'm also going to go ahead and add some salt. I'm going to cut some sausage into small pieces and also chop my vegetables into small pieces, right? So you're going to whisk everything to get the salt fully combined into the egg. So afterwards, you're going to add the tomatoes. We're also going to add the onion, chopped onions, and the sausage. I use Grace Vienna chicken sausage. You could go ahead and use Frankfurter as a substitute if you don't have the chicken sausage readily available. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and add some mild cheddar cheese, right? And then we're going to mix to get everything fully combined. To a frying pan, I add some coconut oil. I'm now going to fry some ripe plantain for our breakfast wrap. You're going to fry until they're golden brown. Afterwards, I'm going to scramble the omelet. Right? So scramble until it is well done based on your liking. After the egg is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare the whole wheat wrap. So I'm just heating up the wrap. This is a 10 inches whole wheat wrap. So to the wrap, to the center of the wrap, I had some mayonnaise. You could go ahead and use sour cream or whatever dressing that you'd like to add. I'm also going to go ahead and add the fillings for the breakfast wrap. So I'm going to add the eggs, right? So you want to ensure that you add all the fillings to the center of the wrap. After we distribute the eggs over the wrap, I'm also going to go ahead and add some avocado. Oh no, say a pear season now. So when we have the fruits and the vegetables in season, we have to utilize those. And I went ahead and also add the ripe plantain. Pretty piece of pear. Look there, guys. Nice and lovely. You could also go ahead and add some vegetables if you please, right? And you could also cut the avocado or the pear into smaller pieces if you'd please. But this size works best for me. Guys, I'm out around water. Alright? Afterwards, we're just going to fold the wrap to get everything fully tucked in. And this is how you fold a wrap. Well, this is one way to fold in the wrap, and then you tuck the sides. We're going to allow that side to be sealed, so you're going to heat your frying pan and seal it, and that's it, all sealed to prevent the fillings from falling out. Cut horizontal, and here is our delicious and mouth-watering breakfast wrap with fry-ripe plantain, scrambled omelette, and avocado. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, and turn your notification to all so you don't miss an upload. And guys, we have to try it.